When you replace the battery in your Mercedes-Benz, disconnecting the old battery causes the vehicle's electronic systems to lose critical stored data. Modern Mercedes vehicles contain sophisticated electronic control units, or ECUs, that manage everything from engine performance to comfort features. Here's what the complexity looks like inside your vehicle. When the battery is disconnected, several critical systems lose their stored parameters. The transmission loses its adaptive learning data, affecting how smoothly it shifts gears. The radio and infotainment system will enter anti-theft protection mode, requiring a security code to reactivate. This is a security feature to prevent theft. Window and sunroof calibrations are also lost. The automatic up and down functions may not work properly until the system is recalibrated. Modern Mercedes vehicles from 2020 onwards feature dual electrical systems. The traditional 12-volt system works alongside a 48-volt mild hybrid system that powers advanced components. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS, also require recalibration after battery replacement. These radar and camera systems need to relearn their baseline settings for proper operation. Failing to properly reset these systems can result in rough transmission shifting, malfunctioning comfort features, and disabled safety systems. This is why understanding the reset process is crucial for maintaining your Mercedes-Benz's performance and safety. After replacing your Mercedes battery, you can perform several basic resets yourself. First, let's reset the windows. This procedure ensures your windows maintain their auto-up and auto-down functionality. If your Mercedes has a sunroof, it needs the same reset procedure. Use the overhead console to lower the sunroof completely, hold for 5 seconds, then raise it completely and hold for another 5 seconds. Your radio may require a security code after battery replacement. This code is typically found in your owner's manual or service booklet. Some newer models will automatically reset after 1 to 2 hours of driving. The transmission system needs to relearn your driving patterns and shift points. This requires 20 to 30 miles of varied driving conditions, including both city streets and highway speeds. The system will automatically adapt during normal driving. If you encounter persistent warning lights, issues with advanced driver assistance systems, or hybrid system malfunctions, professional diagnostic service is required. These complex systems need specialized equipment that only authorized technicians possess.